If you're joining us, welcome to the live. We're on gold, as you can see. We're selling, so you can join us and do the sell. If you are joining us, welcome. We are selling gold right away. I will switch and show you my analysis on gold. Then we'll see how it's going. Let me go to the chart. This is okay. This is UG. This is the chart for gold. These are our entries, as you can see right away. You can see our entries down there. Okay, this is where we are currently. There's our entry, and that is gold one on at 1.3. Okay, so you can go ahead, join us. If you are new here, make sure you're subscribed. I come live here to do live analysis. We take trades together, and we all make money. Okay, so on this trade, I will do the analysis um, afresh, so you guys can see why we are taking a sell on gold. I'm going to show you why we are taking a sell on gold. You can see it's a very clean sniper entry from here. You can see where we took our entry. Sniper, just around here. You can see where we took our entry around here. Why is this doing this? Okay. So you can see where we took our sniper entry, just here. That point there. And we are just good with it. So if you joined us now, make sure you subscribe. Click on the follow button. Subscribe, brother. If you have enough equity, you can join on this trade. You can do that. If you don't have equity, then you can just stay out. But if you have enough equity, you can still take this trade. Yes, you can. You can. That's our entry. That's our entry, as you can see. And this is where we are. Okay, so if you have enough equity, you can join us and take this trade. If you have good equity, we are selling gold, and our TP1 is around here. TP1 is around here. Sorry, TP2. TP1 is around here, which I think I took. This is TP2, and we still have another TP just down somewhere around here. Okay, so if you have equity, you can join us. If you don't, then just stay out of the market because this is good, as I used to say. Okay. Yeah. If you have a question, do well to drop it in the comment section and give me a thumbs up if you're just joining. That will really do well to help. Give me a thumbs up. If you just joined, let me see a thumbs up there. For those that took this trade with me, congrats to you. This is what I do most time when I come live. Okay. Hello. Yes, I'm having a session now. When I finish, I'll come online. I'll come back to your group. Yeah. So do well to give a thumbs up if you're joining. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thank you. I see that. You can see our entries, guys. See our entries, and gold is chasing our way. Okay, TP1 has been smashed. This is where we have our TP1. Let me show you. This TP1 here. TP1 has been smashed comfortably. Okay, so we are chasing TP2, which we know will be smashed. You can see how it's going. Okay, so if you want me to do analysis, let me see. Once we have about 5 thumbs up, I will redo this analysis afresh. Then I will show you how and why we took this trade. I will tell you why. Just give a thumbs up. If you just joined us, give a thumbs up, guy. And also tap on your screen. Okay, that's what you can do to help us grow. If you're on this live session, please give us a thumbs up at the top there. You see a thumbs up at the top of the screen. Just give me that thumbs up. I appreciate what you do here. When I come live, I give you analysis, I give you live signals, and we trade together. Okay. Here's our entries, as you can see. These are our entries, and if you watch closely, you can see we are on profit. The two sniper entries, we are on profit already. If you are joining this live and you already took this trade with me, Congrats to you. Congrats to you. But if you've not yet, you are at the middle of the move. So if you have what it takes, you can go ahead and take the trade. But if you don't, you can just hold on. But you can see we are driving. We are already. This is TP1 smashed. This TP1 here smashed. So we are looking at TP2. This is TP2 around here, right? Yep. So give me a thumbs up, guys. If you're in this live, the best you want to do is give me a thumbs up at the top there. Just give me a thumb. We are already. This is what we call breakfast profit. Okay. This is what we call breakfast profit. If you want to join us like this, you're welcome to the master class where you learn how to do things like this all by yourself. Okay. You're welcome to the master class. It's open for you. You will learn directly by yourself how to trade like this uh, and become profitable. But for the meantime, if you're here, let's trade together. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Give me a thumbs. The comment section is open. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. I'll do it to respond to you right away. Sure, right away I will do that. If you have a question, drop it in the comment section. I'll do justice to it. Okay, so we are still selling. I think we're having a pullback to continue. I've adjusted this stuff. Let me see. Okay. I've adjusted this. So our TP2 is around here. Then we have our TP3. Give me a thumbs up, guys. If you're here, just give me that thumbs up. It has a way to tell us that I'm giving you value and you appreciate it. Okay. So here's our TP3. So you can see how I stationed them all. So here is our trade. Here is our trade. And we're already running profit. So if you want to join this trade, just tell me, yes, I want to join the trade in the comment section. Let me hear you say. You want to join this trade, just tell me, yes, I want to join the trade in the comment section. Then I will tell you when to enter. Okay? Just say, I want to join the trade in the comment section, and I will tell you when to enter. But first of all, make sure you give a thumbs up to this session. At the top there, at the top here, you see that thumbs up. You see that finger there. Just give me a like there so that I know we are together. Okay? Then you can go ahead, keep tapping on the love emoji at the right there. Just keep tapping on it. Because the more you do that, the more the system knows you're active and the more the system gets to share the live session, okay? And above all, I wonder why you will not be subscribed, because you'll be missing out if you do not. So if you want to take this trade with me, say, yes, I want to take the trade. Then I will give you parameters. Otherwise, tap on the screen and share this live session with me. Right? So let's go. I don't know. Give a thumbs up to this session, guys. Let's do this. You can see we are on gold, as you can see. Our profit is running. These are entries. And here we have the trade. If you're new here, click on the subscribe button. And make sure you give me a thumbs up at the top there. Make sure that thumbs up is very important. Give me a thumbs up if you really are getting value here. Because in the next session, I said I'll be teaching you guys some candlestick confirmation to be able to take good trades. Yeah, I think we did that in the other on Friday, or I couldn't finish it because I had to go for the master class. I had class, so when I see you guys give more thumbs up, it tells me that you want me to come back and teach. So if there's a topic you want me to talk about in the next live session, probably this evening or tomorrow, put that topic in the comment section. If there's something you want me to talk about, put it in the comment section and I will do well to address it. Okay? If there's a particular topic you want me to talk about, do well to put it in the comment section. I will address it right away. But for the meantime, let's trade together. Give me a thumbs up if you're here. Give me a thumbs up if you're here. Let me see the thumbs up if you're here. Let me see that. Let me see that. If you took this trade, congrats to you. If you took this with me, congrats to you. Congrats to you if you took this trade with me. Let me see the thumbs up coming, guys. Let me see that. This is called breakfast profits. This is breakfast profits. If there's something you want me to talk about in the next live session, if you have a specific topic, put that topic in the comment section. I will do justice to it. If you're new here, click on the subscribe button. It's just right beside you there. You're not looking for it. Just click on it. And also give me a thumbs up. So I told you, we are on gold, as you can see. And we are selling gold. We are selling gold. Our target is roughly 1.5. Between 1.5 to 2K. That's our target for TP. Okay. So as you can see, we were around 1.3 to 1.4. So we are still going. We are going to go achieve that target. Yeah, sure we will. We will. Market always does a pullback. Always, like it is tradition. So what happens when the pullback happens? What action do you take when the pullback happens? This is different between the beginner trader and the pro trader. When pullback happens, a beginner trader starts fidgeting, gets scared, close their trade, and run away. But the pro trader, one, must have entered at a good sniper entry position where the pullback might not affect them massively. They will be safe. Like in this scenario now, even if we're having a pullback, these are my entries from here. So even we're having the pullback, it is going around this zone, then drop. Sorry, then drop. Right? So I've already entered at a good zone. Okay, but a beginner trader most times they enter at a late hour, somewhere like here, or even here, or here. So when the pullback is happening, already taking their loss. And that is where they jump out. Immediately they jump out, you see the market start going back down. I believe you've been in that space before. Have you been in the space where you took trade, and immediately you took that trade, the market started going negative, If you have experienced that, just say yes. The market was selling, though. Immediately you took the sell, the market started buying. If you've been in that space before, say yes, so that others can know that they are not alone. Then I'll tell you what happens. While you do that, give a thumbs up to me. Let's have a thumbs up from you. I will trade together. If you are joining, welcome. Give a thumbs up. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thank you. I appreciate that. We are ready on the trade. In profit. So we are still holding. We sure are still holding. We are still holding. We know it's going to give us our profit. So we aren't scared. Okay? Secondly, today is Monday, so we are not expecting any fundamental. So we are still holding. But see this guy here? This guy must come back to 1K. See that guy? I'm waiting for it to come back to 1K. Definitely, I'm waiting for it at 1K. If you're new here, make sure you tap on the subscribe button so that whenever I'm live, you're joining us. Click on the bell icon too, so you'll be notified whenever I'm here. And please give a thumbs up to this live session. Give me that thumbs up to tell me I'm giving you value here. Okay? Give me the thumbs up. Let me know that I'm giving value. In case you're new here, what we do, we come here, do live analysis, I drop trading signals, we trade together, we make profits, and I try to help beginner traders become profitable, and we all grow together. So whenever I'm live here, we are win-win. I'm expecting this guy to give us 1K, okay? 1K. That is what I'm expecting. So let's see how it plays out. This is called breakfast profit. It's called breakfast profit. So new here, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you do subscribe and give a thumbs up. I'm supposed to have the beginner class this morning by 10 a.m., but I was late to take breakfast, so decided to come and do this live before I go for the class. So between now to 10:30, I will be going for the class. So before I leave, I decided to come give you guys some trading signals and tips. So Give a thumbs up if you're just joining. If you just joined, you are welcome. Okay. So our first target is 1K. Our overall target is 1.5. So if you want to join us, you can go ahead and take the position. Or if you are new here, make sure you subscribe. If you're new, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out whenever I'm live. Okay. Our first target is 1K. I hope we achieve this before I go for the class. Our second target is 1.5. You're having a pullback, and we're expecting gold to sell. So if you're joining, you're welcome. Tap on the subscribe button. Now I will do the analysis. I was expecting once I can see 5 thumbs up, I will redo the analysis on how we took this trade and why we are on this trade. I will show you exactly why we're on this trade. I'm waiting. Let's just get 5 thumbs up. That tells me that we have a lot of persons that will be watching to learn. If you're joining, make sure you're subscribed. You're welcome. Our first target is 1K. Second target is 1.5. If you're joining, welcome, 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 welcome. Give a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up if you're just joining. Welcome if you joined us now. If you took this trade from the start of this live session, you must have made good profit. First target is 1K and second target is 1.5. So let's hold. I have class on or around 10:30. So let's see how far the market moves us before I go for the class. Though we have retracement, but we are holding because we know it's going to be back. So let's go to the chart and let's see our retracement, how it's looking like. So here we are on the chart. Here is the chart. So I want to do the analysis now. Let me do the analysis so you see why we took this trade. So you can see over here, we have this structure looking. I'm going to be analyzing. From here, we have this first touch here. We're running the second touch around here. We have the third touch now confirmed. Follow me. So I want to be seeing the third touch before I stand. So you can see. Fine. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So if we look here now, you're going to see we have the break and retest happening here. Let me take off this guy. If you watch here, you're going to see we have a break, we have a retest here. We have a break, we have a retest here. So you can see that the retest is where we took our sell, right? That's where we took our sell. So we're expecting this is TP1, TP2, TP3. So we are not holding for long. It's just we are just scalping, or though probably we might make it a swing trade, okay? But definitely we want just want to scalp and probably they trade it. So we are looking at our entry. So I'm going to go to a smaller time frame so you can see what I'm talking about. So here I'm on the hourly. You can see the break here. You can see the retest. Okay, that's why we took this sell. We have a retest around here. We had this very serious order block and it came all the way down, right? So the market is just trying to come to get this zone, then drop again. So I'm going to go to a smaller time frame so you can see more of what I'm trying to say. So let me do. Okay. If you have a question, put it in the comment section and I will do well to respond to your question right away. If you have a question, put it in the comment section. Don't just sit there and learn. Give me a thumbs up, guys, okay? Give me that thumbs up and let me be sure I'm giving value here. So if you watch here, you're going to see we have this playing out. We have over here, we have the touch one, touch two, where we have the break. So this guy is going for a retest, then it will drop for a sell. Okay? So we have a zone around here where it's playing out. If you can see this candle came to test this zone, sold here, then this guy came again to the same zone. So we are expecting to sell even below this point. So we already had our TP1 target hit, okay, before this all bullish move. These are TP2 target and this is TP3. Let me adjust TP3. It's supposed to be here. Yeah. So that's TP3 target, right? So we are still holding our trade. As I told you, we're expecting a sell. No matter what the market is doing, it is a sell. Okay, you can see we're already rolling. We are rolling. Give me thumbs up, guys. Let me see that thumbs up. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see the thumbs up. Tell me you're getting value from this live session. Tell me you're learning. So here now, if I want to take more positions, this is where I can now take more sell, because at this point, where is this guy? At this point now, I've confirmed that this market is respecting this zone. So it's trying to drop. Okay. It came to respect this zone. So we are hoping for a sell. Excuse me. Right? We're hoping for a sell after this rejection around here. So we are going to see how this market plays out. But overall, we are expecting it to sell. So that's why we are still holding this sell. We are not exiting this sell. The only thing or reason why we exit is if market closes above our structure, which is above this trend line, right? Only if we close above this trend line, that is when we are going to take our exit. But for now, we are holding and we are holding and we'll be holding till we get the profit we deserve. So our first TP around here, we're expecting 1K around here. Then we're expecting 1.5 around somewhere around here. So if you're on this trade, hold your position tightly. Don't let go till I tell you so. Okay. So if you have not joined the Telegram channel, just go and do that right away. Go to Telegram, look for the World FX Academy. Then you just join the Telegram. I drop signals there with time. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. I have class by 10:30. So in case you don't know an exit. So this is our trade. We are still holding. And we know definitely it's going to be dropping. As I told you, our first target is 1K. Our second target is 1.5. So it takes a confident trader to hold a trade like this and project that massive. Okay, so in case you're joining, this is my 6 years of trading. I'm the coach at the World FX Academy, and I take you one on one for the mentorship. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do this same thing all by yourself, feel free to reach out, send a DM, and I will tell you. Just put a comment there, and I'll tell you how to join the masterclass and become a pro trader all by yourself. Okay. So we are still holding the sell. Now, one of the things that the market does, which I have said previously in the other life, I want to say it again, is that the market has this um, emotions, this psychology that it messes with your brain. The market messes with your mindset. The market is not for the weak. It's not for the low-minded. The market is meant for the strong in the mind. So the market, firstly, messes with your emotions before it goes your direction. The market messes your emotion first before it goes in your direction. So the question would be, if that is what happens, then why do people take trade? And the same trade I will take, I will close in profit. The same trade someone else will take, but they will close on a loss. Now you see this trade, we took a sell from here. See where we took our sales here. If you're joining, give a thumbs up before I continue. I want to see at least 5 thumbs up, then I'll continue this teaching. I want to tell you, I want to see if I can enter more position. I want to tell you some reasons why you are not profitable. So give me a thumbs up, then I'll continue with this teaching. I want to see at least 6 thumbs up there. At least 6. So look at the top of this live session. At the top there, you see the thumbs up there. Go ahead and click it. At the top, you see the thumbs up there. Just go ahead. I want to see at least 6. Then I'll start teaching. I want to say at least, let me off this video so you guys can, probably you're looking at the video. Good, good. So give me 6 thumbs up there. Just 6. Give me 6 thumbs up, then I'll continue the class. We are still holding our position where we know the market is coming to give us a sell. So we are holding. We are holding. I have 10 minutes to class, so I wish this market will give us a confirmation before I leave. For those of you that are newbies, so that you don't start shaking. I already told you why we're expecting it to sell. So with that, your confidence um should be rest assured. But I really wish this market comes. Now, the market is not what I controls or you control. What moves the market is the funds in the market, the big banks that have the funds, the hedge funds, okay? It's not you, it's not me. So your analysis can be best, top notch, but you have to wait for the market to go in your direction as analyzed, as projected. Now, it might take you 2 minutes, 10 minutes, 4 hours, 2 hours, but if your analysis is right, hold on, it will go your way. But as for the timing and when it will move, it's not your making because it is a market that people come and buy and sell. So you cannot tell how many people will come to the market by the next 10 minutes. And you cannot tell how many people will be buying or selling by the next 10 minutes. So all you do is do your analysis, take your trade, put your parameters, and leave the trade. Okay? That is how pro traders trade. You don't control the market, you can't control the market. So why go ahead and give yourself pressure? Okay? So once you do your analysis, it's perfect. Let the market do the hard work. That is just the bit I can say to you. Let the market do the hard work. Okay? So we let this market do the hard work for us while we already done our soft work by doing our analysis. Okay, so the only way you can exit this trade, you can see our analysis. I'll show you again why we took this trade. You can see we have a symmetrical triangle here. It has broken down. Overall, we have this pattern. Sorry. Overall, we have this rising bullish triangle. We have this bullish pattern that has broken down. You can see this is the break here. That's the break there we have here. That's the break, right? So you can see the market is playing around the break. The market is playing below the break, right? So I go to a smaller time frame. You can see it's trying to sell now, but that is just play with your mindset, okay? So now overall, it should sell. When I mean sell, it will sell massively. So in case you're just new, you're not trading, take a screenshot of this, keep it by the evening hours of the day. You can bring it to me if it sells or not. Okay. So I'm that coach that is telling you what to do based on my experience in the market, not based on what I was taught by someone. This is my personal experience in the market, right? So if you're yet to take a sell, I think you can now. And make sure if you're doing this, let your SL be here. Okay, 3342. You can have your SL there, 3342. You have no problem. Okay, you can have your SL there. You have no problem. But otherwise, we are expecting it to sell, and we are holding our sell. So now, as I said, please give me a thumbs up if you just joined us. Give me a thumbs up. I said I was expecting 6 thumbs up before I continue teaching. We have 5. I just need at least one more thumbs up. Then I continue teaching. Give me that thumb. Look at the top of your screen. You're going to see one very fine finger there. Tap on it. Then you'll see the heart icon at the top right, at the right of the screen. Just keep tapping on it. Keep tapping on it. Keep tapping on it. Keep tapping on it. And let the system knows we're active. And that is how we get going. So now, okay, I'm waiting for the thumbs up. I have 6 minutes to be here. I have class by 10:30. I already have a message from my students. I just saw a low now on WhatsApp. So I'm holding for that. I'm holding for that. If you have a question, put it in the comment section, bro. Put it. This guy is struggling to buy. Overall, it's a sell. He's just struggling. So if you don't know gold, definitely you'll be messed up. You see it's selling now. You can take this sell now on gold. Your coach, the world. Okay, I'm not your coach now. You're just a streamer. Go ahead, take a sell on gold. Put your SL at 3343. This is a free signal. But as you're doing this, give me that thumbs up and you're subscribing. Then I am waiting for your profit. come back and give me your profit, right? Yeah. So we have a doji candle that tells us that price rejected that area. This current candle now, we are waiting for it to sell, to close as a sell candle. That is our overall confirmation. Let this current candle close as a sell candle, then that is when we confirm that definitely the market is overall bearish. So if you're taking the sell, put your SL where I told you to put your SL. This is a sell. After this whole drama, we're expecting it to drop. So if you're taking the sell, go ahead. SL should be 3343. Okay, so go ahead and do that. If you're joining, welcome. I have 4 minutes to be here. I have class. So I will be leaving you guys soon for class. I need to see this market move in profit for us before I leave. For those that are new, for the beginners that have low mindset, that really don't know how the market works, I'm just waiting for the market to go away. Then you can have the confidence in the trade. But for me, I'm already on this trade and we are already in profit. So give me the thumbs up. I want to teach. I would have given you guys a very important tip that can help your trading journey, but the thumbs up seems difficult. That tells me that we are engaging. I don't know how many persons are here, but the more I see the thumbs up, the more I know we are active, and the more I go ahead to give you guys the tips that can help you become profitable. So we are in profit already, and we'll be in massive profit. As I told you, our first target is 1K. Our first target is 1K. Our second target is 1.5. So if you're just taking this trade, then by evening, anytime from 2 p.m. down, please chat me up. Let me know how much profit you hold. That is if you have good equity to hold your trade. But if you're scalping, please close when you have seen a good profit. Okay. I keep telling you, you must not hold your trade to the hit TP. It's not a must. We will do that because we are trying to build a working strategy. We are trying to build confidence for traders. For you that is joining the market, you're trying to grow your equity. Once you've seen a considerable amount of profit, bro, take that profit and have a soft day. Tomorrow is another day you can come and collect from the market, right? Yeah. So if you're entering, I already told you where your SL should be, and you can target down. We watch the trade, let it do the hard work. We have done the soft work by analyzing and taking the trade. Okay. Where is the thumbs up? Where is the thumbs up? Where is it? This guy is selling. Gold must sell. Gold must sell. I keep repeating again. Gold must sell. Okay, because it has given us a break, a confirmation of our structure of our zone. So overall, we're expecting it to sell. Okay, so I'm going for the master class by 10:30. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. I will respond to you as fast as I can. Right? If you have a question, just go ahead and put it in the comment section, or you can drop it in in the comment section. If you want to join the master class, you want to learn how to do this analysis by yourself, take trades by yourself, make your own profit, feel free to hit me in the comment section. Okay, for those that want to join the master class, I can give you the ability to reach me on WhatsApp for now. I'll be fast with this. If you can get this, then you can reach me on +234. I'm going to be calling my WhatsApp number +234 806345 3582. Okay, you can reach me on WhatsApp with that +234 806345 3582. 82. Okay, so as I said, I have beginner class this morning by 10:30. This is 10:30. So guys, you give me the excuse to go and teach those that are paid for the beginner class. So I may come back later in the day. We look at this trade. That is, if I'm done with what I have for the day. But for now, go ahead and enjoy your trade and go ahead and enjoy your profit. I'm that coach that tells you the way it is. As I keep saying, I tell you from my experience. I'm not telling you from what I read on a book or what I saw on YouTube. Okay, so you can go ahead, hold your trade till I meet you again. Probably later in the day I might be back. But for now, enjoy your day, guys, until I see you again. Some of